Okay, so let's have a quick look at some other built-in function we can use with list. We have already seen a function type and len, which give us type of an object or length or otherwise a number of elements in a list. Let's check what is the current state of our numbers list. So we have 5 elements, as we can see here. And what else can we do with lists? Well, there are many things, but the three most obvious ones, like natural ones, would be the following. So first of all, we can sum all of the elements of the list. Of course, we can do it if the elements can be summed. So if I have a list which has different types of elements, for instance, I don't know, few integers and strings, then Python doesn't know how to sum them, so add them up, so we wouldn't be able to do this. But if we focus on lists which contain numbers, then we have these 3 types of methods. So sum will give us a sum of these elements. So apparently this is 177. Maximum, as you can expect, will give us a maximum number. So this should be 99. And minimum should give us a minimum element. So this should be 2. This should be 5 because 5 is the smallest element in a list. I had 2 here because when someone else was running this notebook before me, this list was a little bit different because I kind of added something along the way, and so this changed. But when I execute this code, you can clearly see that the minimum element is 5. Yeah, so these are the basic functions you can use on list. Of course, there are many more. We will provide you with some additional resources where you can find some other functions you can use on lists. But you can of course search the net yourself, and you will find many other examples. This is just to give you an overview of what you can do with list, and show you that there are some built-in functions you can use with list. So in the next video we will go back to things we have learned before. So we will go back to loops, and you will see how you can use for loops together with lists. So I hope you enjoy these videos, and see you in the next one.